and welcome to Stoke Audi. Here we have a brand new Audi RS4 Avant. This is the carbon black trim line with the 2.9 litre TFSI petrol engine. This vehicle is finished in Nardo Grey, which is a solid paint colour, and the vehicle features the 20-inch 5-segment spoke design alloy wheels in glossy black with the upgraded red painted brake calipers. This vehicle also features the black styling package, with privacy glass to the rear and rear side windows and the black roof rails. This vehicle features the RS Sport exhaust system, which is another upgrade, the RS model enhanced braking system, and the RS Sport suspension. The vehicle features the power operated tailgate and the matrix LED headlights with LED rear lights and dynamic front and rear indicators. The vehicle features the carbon black styling package. As you can see, the flat-bottomed, high multifunction 3-spoke leather sports steering wheel with the gear shift paddles and the RS badging. The vehicle also features the Audi virtual cockpit, which displays the navigation systems. The vehicle also features the touchscreen MMI display, which showcases the Parking Systems Plus, which features the 360 cameras and sensors. The display also showcases the MMI display with navigation, 3-zone deluxe climate control with front heated seats. The carbon inlays can also be seen throughout the interior along with the Quattro badging. The vehicle also features another upgrade, which is the optional extra panoramic glass sunroof. The seats are the front sport seats finished in full leather with honeycomb stitching and the RS logo embossing. And the seats on this Audi RS4 are fully electrically adjustable with 4-way lumbar support and the massage function. For more information, please give us a call on 01782 488 205. Thank you for watching.